Good evening, folks. We're back again at 9:50, and we are battling for Shawns Weapons Lot. As you can see here, I got 20 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find us a winner. Paste them in there. There they are, 1 through 20. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 9, which means we are good to go. Good luck, folks. I'm going to roll right through it. Mr. Penland takes round 1. And round 2. Jock round 3. Scott round 4. Jason round 5. Mr. Penland again on top in round 6. Michael round 7. Jock again on top in round 8, which means our winner is Scott Singer in at number 20. Congrats, Scott. Here's the official results for you. BDUJVC. Scott Singer in at number 20 is the champ. And I'm done at 9:51. There she blows. 9:51. Again, here's the official results. Scott in at number 20 is the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks.